What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I talked about how we were possibly going to get a reversal candle this week in the form of a doji or a spinning top. And that's exactly what we're getting so far. Granted, Friday hasn't played out yet, but I think that we're going to be getting a reversal candle this week and then some follow through next week. And the reason why is because if you look on the daily time frame, we are getting a breakdown of this rising wedge that's been forming for like the past 3 weeks or so. And if you notice that every single time we try to climb higher and higher on this rising wedge, the MACD, the MACD, hasn't really turned bullish at all. In fact, it remained bearish, signaling that momentum remains to the downside. And finally, we got a break of the rising wedge today because we had some geopolitical risk, specifically with Israel and Iran. Iran is trying to get some hands on nuclear weapons, and that's going to be a big problem for the region and specifically Israel and US in the future. So we're having that conflict come up, and I believe that this is going to cause some uncertainty into the weekend as well. So I don't think that there's going to be a lot of people holding stocks into the weekend. They're going to be taking profits. They're going to be locking in those gains. This is a big shift from previous weeks as the market was anticipating more and more trade deals coming out or more progress on the US-China trade deal. So I think that the tide is shifting here a little bit, and let's see how the market closes for today. You can see on the 5 minute time frame that we got a big drop to around 5,900, 5,920 for ES futures, but we're recovering some of that pre-market. And interestingly enough, you have some resistance right around here. So I don't think that the market is going to climb up to like 603 to fill that gap again. If it does, great. I'm going to be adding more to my shorts. But I believe that right now the momentum is to the downside. We're trying to build that momentum. And you can see that it takes some time to build this momentum too, because on the weekly time frame, we're still getting that, we still have that bullish momentum on the MACD, right? So first stops would be around this 9 weekly EMA, which is sitting around 58.37. And then we have the 20 and the 50 coming up. Let's open the SPY chart, which is probably easy for you guys. So you can see that the EMA is sitting at 582. So technically we could still come down to that 5 EMA or 9 EMA, tag it, get some sort of rebound, and then come down to fill this gap here. We have the 20 sitting at 573. We have the 50 sitting at 574. So, all this area is going to be acting as pretty good support. But I think that we're just going to get that gap fill at around 565. So let's see if we get that before really moving higher. And yeah, we'll see how this all plays out. But I stand by what I said in my last video. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. But I'm positioned to the downside, and I'm going to be adding more to my shorts if we somehow miraculously get up to like 603, 604 again. So we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me making update videos on the stock market, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.